What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new YouTube video. Today we're back to FIGMA, or I think I was at FIGMA already. So step 3 still. What I'm doing right now, I'm gonna transfer the wireframe. Now the issue right now is now I don't want this exact wireframe over here, but it looks a little off. I don't know. Maybe I just need to add stuff to it, you know? So, okay. I'm gonna do 3. Okay, locations, venue, and about us. I guess I'll just freeball it. Alright, obviously, let me see, zoom. Let's see that. 75. Okay. So let's go, what was it, menu? And let's do nah, that's too much. 24, that's fine, that should be good. Okay, menus towards the middle. I'm wondering why there isn't no, oh, there it is. There we go. Okay. And then I'm at here. Hold on. I'll do it right now. I was gonna do something. What was the other one? Locations, I think it was. Locations. I'm gonna keep it leveled. Actually, should I keep it like that? I think I will for now. Alright. Next one. Wait, was it locations? Yeah, okay, about us. Alright. Centered. Right about. Hold on. Takes me a bit, but I got it. Hold on, bro. Bro. There we go. I just needed to lock on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Alright. About us. Alright, how's it not many? You know, the funny thing is, when it comes to actual web development, to like coding and stuff like that, the knob is pretty hard to do. And I just did it in, like, you know, because it's just this right here, but it's pretty hard, right? Okay, so it looks a bit thinner and a bit longer here versus this, the proportions. It looks more like a mobile website, to be honest. I'm gonna keep going though for now. I'm just gonna set it up and then I'll do some adjustments a little later. This is gonna be the actual UI mockup. No microtransactions over here. I'm not EA, but this is more like a micro. What is it? Micro interactions. That's what it is. Okay, right here. It's gonna be a picture. And for now, let's see. For now, it'll be, hold on, before I get into that, into the content, because, yeah, it's going to be all the content and stuff. Before I get into the content, I want to do the footer. I don't know why, but I think of it like a book, kind of. I want to get the covers, back cover, front cover. And then I'll get into the content. So the footer, I want to do social media as well. These little icons right here. So let's see what the icons over here. Okay, so I'm gonna do copyright. Pretty small, right? Pretty small. Okay, let me add another text right here. A little bit smaller. I'm gonna go with, let's try 18. Oh, it just changed on me. Alright. Copyright 2020. That's it. Is that it, my boy? Alberto's. Oh no, that's what I used for. There we go. No, 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 no. Yeah. Okay, centered. And how should I be aligned? Leave it just close. Nothing too special. Let's see. How does it look? Let me zoom out a little bit. Looks good. How about proportions? Let's see over here. What are the proportions? That's really small. Okay, I feel like that's good. I feel like that's fine. This is good on other websites. For example, let's go to Tesla. Tesla. Let's go to the bottom of the page. Accessories. Okay, let's see. Is this it? Oh, actually, they don't have much compared to other companies, bro. They have like a row of things. But right here, Tesla. That's it. Tesla. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's chill. Yeah, that's fine. The sizes and stuff. Okay, that's cool. That's chill. All right. Okay. So let's see what social media they have. They have Facebook, Google Plus, and Yelp. So let's add icons. How do I add icons? New. How do I add? Let's see. Icons. Hand tool. Region tool. Shape tool. did I do it? Plugins. How did I do it? Manage plugins. This one takes me to a new one, but how do you look for more, bro? Download the latest to create your own plugin and manage any plugins currently in development. How do you? Can you only have one plugin, or upgrade to collaborate? Unlimited projects, unlimited version history, custom file user permissions, private plugins, plugin administration, design system analytics. How do you add plugins? Anyone with the FIGMA installed can edit. Click community. Okay, so open the file browser. Okay, click community. Oh. Why does it say beta? Plugins they've been a thing, bro. Also, like Unsplash is like the most one, and the most used one. Laura Mipsa, Autoflow, Bacteria, Blobs, Avatars. Stark, Wireframe, Map. Oh. Let's see this one. Installed. Let's see. Let's try that out. Okay, so it's in communities. Let's see. Let's see. Map maker. Let's see. Well, I'm not gonna put my address. I'll just put some random address. Mapbox. I'll do New York. Do New York. FIGMA. It's gotta be inside, right there. I wonder if it's custom? Ooh. Get out of here. Nice. Alright. Alright, now how detailed can I get? Let's see, how much do I have? I'll stop at 30. Oh, 36. Alright, I'll stop right here. Alright, so far, what do I got? Let's see, so far, I went from basically, like, I kind of had the wireframe, and then I added the nav, and I added the footer. I still don't have the backgrounds, the background colors how I want them. I'm still starting off. Obviously, I'm not going to do this right here, because that's kind of weird. Well, at least to show them, to email them the... I don't know if that means anything to them. I don't think so, because that looks like a... It looks like, what is it called? Like a generic background that they have. I think he's using WordPress or something like that. Power size, I don't know what they're using. But, yeah, it looks generic. I may do white. I don't know, we'll see. I do want to add color though. Like, I want to add, you know, the yellows, the reds, a little bit of the red. Maybe Maybe have the gold. No, we'll see. We'll see. So I guess that's it for now. I guess I added like the main content, the 2 pictures and the. Oh, now I'm gonna do customer review. I will see. We'll finish it tomorrow. Or not finish it tomorrow, but continue tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.